Hello, bachcho. Let's read the question. The question says the unpaired electrons in aluminium and silicon are present in 3p orbital. Which electrons will experience more effective nuclear charge from the nucleus? ठीक है? So let's do the question. So बच्चों, in case of aluminium, the atomic number is 13. ठीक है? If you write down the configuration, it is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p1. ठीक है? So outer cell is having one electron. In case of silicon, the number of atomic number is 14, and if you write the electronic configuration, it is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p2. So outer cell is present in the outer cell is 3p and the outer cell electron is present in 3p subcell. ठीक है? So बच्चों यहाँ पे if you see the atomic number is 13, the total number of protons are 13. ठीक है? तो आपका न्यूक्लियस का जो चार्ज होता है, न्यूक्लियस इज मेड ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन एंड प्रोटॉन. ठीक है? न्यूट्रॉन का चार्ज होता है 0 एंड प्रोटॉन का पॉजिटिव चार्ज होता है बच्चों. ठीक है? सो +1. So the charge of this nucleus is for aluminium. It is aluminium के लिए जो आपका charge of the nucleus होगा that will be +13 and that of for silicon it is +14. ठीक है? +14. So बच्चों यहाँ पे if you see the charge of nucleus का जो charge है that is greater in case of silicon. So charge of the nucleus, ठीक है, न्यूक्लियस का जो आपका चार्ज होगा, चार्ज ऑफ न्यूक्लियस is greater for the silicon than aluminium. So although the unpaired electron or the outer cell electron is present in p orbital, so due to the greater nuclear charge, the electrons of silicon will experience more effective nuclear charge from the nucleus than aluminium. ठीक है? The outer cell electron of silicon will experience more effective nuclear charge. So silicon, in case of silicon, the electron, unpaired electron will experience, it will experience more effective nuclear charge. ठीक है? Effective nuclear charge. It is nuclear charge. So this is the answer. I hope you understood well. Best of luck.